At this point, we have a 50 by 50 square that we drew in SolidWorks. This is not a three-dimensional part yet. It is all still flat whenever we look at it from any of our sides. In order to move a part like this in SolidWorks, where we can turn each axis and take a look at this shape from any plane, we want to hold down the center wheel on your mouse. Again, if you roll the wheel, we will zoom in and out. If you hold that wheel down and move the mouse, we can take a look at this object from different perspectives. If we look directly at our square, we're going to take this 2D object, and now we're going to make this a 3D object. Anytime we make something three-dimensional, we'll do that from our Features tab. So Features is right up here in the left-hand corner. I'm going to click on Features and select Extruded Boss Base. Whenever we click Extruded Boss Base, we're going to see that our perspective kind of changes a little bit so that we can look in directly at this part and see how thick we're making it as we increase our depth in this extrude. We have three ways of changing this size. We can click these arrows up for our distance in whichever direction we need to move. We can simply type a number in and press enter, or we can grab this three-dimensional arrow in the middle and move this. We want to make this 5 inches. So we click our check mark, and we should find that we've got a three-dimensional extruded square.